Nothing like a Garfield popsicle with gumball eyes. Pretty cool, right? That's Garfield right here. It's orange flavored. Let's open it up. Come on. And here it is, the Garfield popsicle with gumball eyes, orange cap. He really hates Mondays, right? Here's my another 3D printed popsicle I made with by making orange by using orange filament. See, 2 ears, black gum eyes, a pink nose. Cool. He has black stripes on his face. I think I made it maybe a little. Maybe I made it a little too big to fit the wrapper. But that's close enough to me. Anyway, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I'm gonna be hitting 300 subscribers. Yeah, so let me know in the comments which 3D popsicle I'm gonna make next. Anyways, my name is Michael Bong, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.